This is RV Life at Camping World San Marcos. Our RV is currently getting serviced. We are servicing the generator, checking the automatic jacks. We're also dealing with the overhead bed that Felicity is about to be sleeping on. It's not going up and down evenly. Just getting some overall warranty maintenance done, making sure everything's in good working order for our next leg. This Camping World is not a sales camping world. It is only a service camping world, because across the street there's Holland RV, where there is a ton of other RVs for sale. They have fifth wheels, the big trailers, and they got motor homes. This is RV Life, everybody.